Okay, check out both the Liberty Walk cars done and completed. My Maserati Granturismo and Hannah's Ford Mustang. They look so sick.
I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side.
Both cars have turned out way better than I expected. Check out the wheels on the Maserati. These are custom made and they are absolutely ridiculous. There is no other wheels like this anywhere in the world. These are literally my own wheels. Absolutely insane. And check out the girth on the rear of it. Madness. And then Hannah's as well. What an absolute weapon these cars have turned out to be. Now both cars have conquered the UK on a 1,000-mile round road trip. But this video may come at a shock for all of you guys. And that is because one of these cars has got to go. That's right, these cars have done what they were supposed to do. They caused a stir on the internet, they got people talking, and when you drive them down the road, people are literally getting their phones out, trying to take photos of them. It's a love or hate thing with these Liberty Walk cars, and in my opinion, I love them both. But it just doesn't make sense to have two of them. Now I know what you're thinking, Matt, why do you spend so much time, money and effort building these cars and then say you've got to get rid of one? So as you guys know, YouTube is my job and I do these cars, modify these cars to get people talking, and well, that's exactly what both the Maserati and the Mustang have done. But now both of the cars are sort of at the end of their journey. It doesn't make sense to keep them both because I cannot move on to do bigger and better projects. Now Hannah isn't here, but we've been arguing about which one we should get rid of. I really want to keep the Maserati. It's a one-of-one car and it's never been done before in the UK. There is another one in Europe. The Mustang, it looks absolutely incredible. I think there's only another one in the UK. Obviously, Hannah wants to keep the Mustang, but I want to keep the Maserati. So, I'm going to be letting you decide which one goes. That's right, both cars are going to be up for another raffle. The Maserati and the Mustang. So we're here at Exclusive's new unit where both of these cars are going to be raffled off. Well, one of them is going to go, one of them will be staying with me. Now obviously I've just dropped off the Golf R to Matt, who won it for just £15, and we're going again. One of you guys are going to win this for £15. Okay, yeah, you're probably thinking I've all gone mad. Another raffle again so soon. But I think this is such a perfect time to win a Liberty Walk cars. It's show season, the weather is really good, and these cars need to be out at the shows. And you guys are going to be joining me with whichever one you choose. Okay, so for those new to the channel, here's how it's going to work. And for those who are not new to the channel, the link's in the description. £15 gets you one ticket, one entry into the competition. There will be 5,333 tickets available, and that is it. But hang on a minute, that's £80,000. Look, calm down, no one's paying £80,000 for the car. It's £15 a ticket, so if you win the car for £15. But I still don't get it, that just sounds like one big rip-off. But that's fine, if you don't understand it or you don't like it, then you don't have to enter. I'm not forcing anyone to enter to the competition. Alright then, fair enough, I won't enter. But for those that do enter the competition will last 1 week. Or it'll end sooner if all the tickets sell out before. But here is where it gets a little bit different to the usual competitions. So when the competition ends, I'll be announcing on my Instagram, my Facebook. Exclusive will be announcing on their social media platforms as well. And then we'll be doing the live draw here in Exclusive's new warehouse, as you've seen in the Golf R raffle. The live draw will be live streamed on my YouTube channel, on Exclusive social media platforms, and on my Instagram as well. The winner will be picked on a Google random number generator, as we've done previously in the other competitions. But this is where it gets interesting. So the winner will actually pick which car they'll be taking, either the Mustang or the Maserati. Now Kevin wants you all to pick the Mustang because I'd like to keep the Maserati. Ain't that right, Kev? Now obviously whichever car you pick, I'll be keeping the other one to continue to make content on. So Hannah's not here to really fight her cause here, but just to let you know that the Mustang is 10 times better. Well, I want to keep the Maserati. Let's get your tickets. All you got to do is click the link in the description box below. It takes you directly to Exclusive Competition's website. You'll answer a simple question and then you can go and get your ticket. This is the biggest competition that I've done so far. And to think that it started off from an Audi S5 and now it's led to 2 Liberty Walk 1-of-1 cars is absolutely incredible. And all I can thank is you guys for watching the video, clicking subscribe and giving me all your support. Whether you're entering it or not, you're supporting the channel just by watching the video. So I have to thank you all for that. But now winning one of these cars would truly be life-changing. Whether you decide to keep it or sell it, it's life-changing money. Well, it would be for me anyway. It's absolutely insane. So good luck to every single one of you that gets the tickets, and thank you to all you guys that watch the videos. Hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button. I appreciate all your support. This one is going to be a mad one. See you in the next video. Peace out.
Like a drug